Hey there, tomorrow is Sunday, and Mom is making chili. So, I'm thinking, I know I want these vegetables, and I got sneeze, hang on. Okay, so, while they're eating chili, I think I'm actually going to take my Rayo's tomato basil. And to do that, sorry, I got the sniffles. So let me do this. Hang on. Alright, let's try this again. Oh yeah, I don't want to do that. I don't want to add it to it, because when I tip it over, then it's going to make a mess. So instead, I'll do like I did at work, and I will take it in one of these little containers that have a screw-on lid. Come on, get in there. Okay. Yeah, let's put a serving of Rayo's in there. They're having chili, and this will make it a kind of Italian something. I don't know if chili's Italian, but so. And I'm going to put some of my crave on here. Tomorrow I'm also going to take my rutabaga. And I don't really know how things are going to happen tomorrow. I think the one sister's coming to town about 3 or 4. So that means we'll be eating supper at Mom's. My other sister, the one who's already in town, she's talking about coming over to my house. So, so I don't know if I'll be back at Mom's for lunch, but I might as well doctor this one up. And look, I'm going to doctor this one up as chili. So we're going to put some chili powder in here. Yeah, so chili powder, a little bit of garam masala, a little turmeric, some ginger, and some smoked paprika, and then some curry powder. I don't know. Maybe I'll have this one at Mom's. I'll just see how I feel. I did not eat the zucchini and squash that I took. Instead, I ate the, Instead, I ate the rutabaga. So, it worked out good. I was able to finish up the last side that did not have a meat with it. So, that worked out well. I'm going to add some of my dehydrated garlic. Let's put in a little Greek seasoning with it, just for fun. And why not a little bit extra kick of our Dano spicy. Alright, now. So, depending on when I eat this stuff, that's what I'll have available for me tomorrow. The jicama, I used it in a couple different ways today at Mom's. I dipped it in some, what do you call that stuff? The white queso dip. I put a piece of cheese on it with a little bit of lunch meat, and I also tried it with, I don't think I did. Mom had some pimento cheese, but I didn't put any of that on it. And I just ate it plain. So my sister liked it, and my nephews thought it was interesting. So anyway, but that did really well while they were sitting there eating, the chips with the dip. I was able to eat on that and feel like I was not missing out. So I am going to take the crave and rutabaga. I'm not sure what day I'm going to cook it. So what I'm going to do is go on and mix up some onions and the dehydrated garlic. And I'll put the crave in my lunchbox. I don't remember what else I put in it. I better watch my video I might put just a pinch of adobo in it. Anyway, I better go back and watch my video and see exactly what I put in it. But I'll have this together, and so both of them can sit out. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for tomorrow, and I'll let you know what I'm doing. Tomorrow morning, I'll be eating the same thing I had this morning, which is eggs. So I'll have that again for breakfast in the morning. And I may not record, so that way I can show more of the family stuff. And then that way the video isn't so long. So we'll just see how I do it tomorrow. And by the way, I'm not logging because I can't log. I'm not weighing my food at Mom's house. I mean, we see I'm eating the most of the normal stuff, but if I have some jicama dipped in the that white cheese sauce, if I have it dipped in that, or if I have some pimento cheese on it or something, then I can't count it. You know, I won't know how to log it, so I'm not even gonna try. So, but I am eating things that I eat and it's doing very well. I did have one bite of that red like Jello thing that Mom made, that cranberry Jello. I had one little bite of that. But other than that, that's the only thing I ate that was off keto plan. So just one little bite, and it was probably like a teaspoon worth. But anyway, so like I said, I'm still going to focus on eating food that I consider keto. And, you know, I'm not eating like chips or dip or bread or chips or bread or anything like that. So I'm still staying keto, just not counting my calories right now. So, but I will pick it back up later. So, all right, I'll see you tomorrow. There's my breakfast. Even though I'm not tracking while the family's here because I can't keep track of everything, what I'm cooking, I'm tracking, or I'm weighing out. So I did this just like I do every other day. I weigh things out. I'm just not plugging into the program. Into my tracking program. So this is exactly what I ate yesterday, weighed out and everything. But again, I'm just not logging because I'm not going to log 2 out of 3 meals. So there we go. I will see you at lunchtime. I swear I'm still like a kid at Christmas. My sister and her boys are coming over because they like to see my dogs. Well, the boys like to see my dogs. So the boys are going to, I say boys, but the men, they're grown men. But I block it off so that way people can actually come into my house and not be mauled by the crew. And when I say mauled, I don't mean attacked and bit. I mean they love their cousin boys. So they will just go bonkers whenever the boys get here. So I put this gate up so my poor sister can at least walk in the door. And they get in and get settled. And then I let the dogs out from behind the gate. They're here. I'm so excited. It's going to be pandemonium as soon as they walk in the door. My sister helped take some pictures while she was here, and my nephews helped corral the boys. So we got some pictures of me with the dogs. 4 of them. It's quite hard to corral them. And then there's me and my 2 nephews, and then again me and my 2 nephews. So have a good evening. And for lunch, we've got our 93% ground beef, 1 serving Oreos, and this is the jicama with the au gratin seasoning on it.
Adventurous museum. Travel out on the river for 5 or 10 minutes. You cross the river bar, heading out into the open ocean.
I'm having some blueberries, and I forgot to record it.
It's memory foam, and I wasn't sure I'd like it. It's taken some getting used to, but I think I kind of like it now.
Usually got your side.
So anyway, I had my ground beef that I seasoned up with the seasonings to make it similar to chili. So that was good. And then I made up the au gratin rutabaga, and everybody liked it. So there's just a little bit left that I'll take home. And tomorrow's lasagna, so I'll be bringing my lasagna over here to Mom's. So okay, bye. I'll see you later.
deal. I got that.
Call her again.
Maddie!
Maddie!
That was fun. I love that. Maddie! Are you sure she's hard of hearing?
No, sometimes she's not.
I can tell you Keith just pretended to be.
Hello, I'm home. So we're going to unpack my bag that I packed up and I took to Mom's. And we can just kind of talk a little bit. So at Mom's, I took the jicama, the raw jicama, and I've been eating that. This one was the ground beef that I had seasoned with like the chili stuff. So I had the ground beef while they were eating chili. And I dumped out the zucchini that was in it because I didn't, instead, I had made up some of that rutabaga au gratin. And so we had that, and everybody had it, and they liked it. And one sister, she's talking about buying that seasoning, that Crave seasoning, so that she can make it. I sent her the link to this, so, so she can buy it on Amazon. I still have 3 bags of this rutabaga, so I'll be working with that, I'm sure. Let's see. That just stays in there. And then at lunchtime today, I had, I put it away. I had the marinara seasoning that I took along. And so lunchtime I had that with, I believe it, I don't remember what the side was. Oh yeah, it was the jicama. Anyway, and so, but so far, hang on, let me give the dogs a treat. Just a second, y'all. Okay, so anyway, I will have 3 of these left over. And this was the zucchini blend. I never did eat that yesterday. And then some cheese. I'll just throw this cheese into the refrigerator or the freezer. So let's kind of recap. It was a good day. Spent time with the fam. My one sister and her 2 boys came yesterday, and today was the one sister and one of her girls. Tomorrow her husband is coming with her other daughter and his daughter. But the kids have been they've been married since the kids were like, I think 8 or 9. So really the kids are his daughter is as much of a part of the family as my own nieces. So anyway, so she'll be coming. He will be driving in the 2 girls. So we will be adding 3 more to our table tomorrow. And tomorrow night is the 26th, and we're going to have our Christmas tomorrow. So, okay, well, that's the end of this. So today is the 25th, and I'll probably be uploading this on the 26th. Merry Christmas.